So people, today I transformed this set into something like
this. But how? Let's see. So this set, my place, is not at all spacious. And speaking from my heart, like speaking the truth that for a bachelor, मतलब एक बैचलर को इंडिया में इतनी सी भी जगह मिल जाए ना तो वो बहुत है. Like you can actually make wonders from this place. So that's with that motive I'm just starting this channel so that I can actually create something out of this space. And to be very honest, this is not actually the professional way of lighting your setup or setting up the sound system. Like I have used one LED bulb up there, I've used one LED light above my camera. There is this condenser microphone which is the basic one, the stand, the basic one. I have not used any phantom power to power this thing up. I've just used one sound card for that, which pretty much does the job for me. At this moment, I did not feel the necessity of getting one pop filter above this and blocking my entire face. No, for vlogging my face is important rather than that big pop filter on my face. That's actually good for music, and this sponge cap is good for like a vlogging or if you are podcasting. Anyway, so within like a $4,000 you can actually set this thing up, like have a good light, have a good sound system, have a good what is it called, a mic stand. Have a good mic stand, and you can actually make your videos look more appealing, more attractive to your viewers, so that they find it more engaging rather than those dim light videos with a bad sound quality to it. Because admit one fact, at the end of the day, we as a viewer, think yourself as a viewer, we buy those videos which has a better light and sound effect to it, and which much more looks like a professional way, which much more looks like a professional set, because we find it more genuine. Yeah. So one recommendation that I need from you all, because I myself as a starter, I want to know that what else can I install in my set, or what components can I get so that I can make this thing look more like a professional one. I need those recommendations, and I want you to post in the comments so that everyone can have a view to that, even me, because I also do want to know them, and I'll be really glad if you help me out in that. So if you have found this video really useful, then hit the like button, and also if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, then do hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so that you stay updated every time this unique friend shows up, just to make your buying experience even better. So this is Dipayan signing off from the unique friend, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, it's hot. Keep those smiles rolling, stay spirited, stay lively, and